my peeps. Welcome to another episode of Baby's Chester's Corner. Before I introduce my special guest, I have a few jokes I would like to share. What is green and sour and swims in an aquarium? A tropical fish. Okay, I have one more. What do you call a pickle you got at a cheap price? A sweet deal. I'm so hilarious. Okay, we will introduce our special guest after these messages.
Perfect.
As you guessed it, my special guest is Mr. Pickle. Help me welcome him to the show. Don't mind him, people. He's old. I'm pretty sure he's been around for a while.
I got weaknesses.
Yes, you do. Oh, and a dirty shoe. Okay, thank you so much for coming to the show, Mr. Pickle.
Thank you for having me.
So I hear congratulations are in order for you having your 10,000 bazillion grandbaby.
Why, yes, I have so many children and grandchildren. It is so hard to keep up.
Well, it is always nice to have a big family. I believe we have a picture. Oh, there it is. Oh, they are just so adorable, aren't they?
Yes, very precious.
All right, Mr. Pickle, can you tell us the history of the pickle?
Why, of course, Baby Chester. Me and my family have been around for generations, all the way back around 2030 BC.
Oh my gosh, you guys are old. I knew it. I could tell by the way you were walking.
Yes, Baby Chester. Pickles came about in ancient Mesopotamian times. Place cucumbers in an acidic brine for safekeeping.
Oh, okay. What is brine?
Brine is simply water with a ton of salt. Think of it as a salt bath for the cucumbers.
Oh, so it's like a spa day for the cucumbers, huh?
Yeah, a little something like that. Anyway, during the age of explorations, explorers and sailors liked traveling with pickles because we could last a long journey and prevent scurvy.
What is scurvy? That sounds so disgusting.
Scurvy is a disease that causes health problems in people whose vitamin C is very low. Someone can get scurvy by not eating enough fruit and vegetables.
Eat your fruit and veggies, people. Listen to your mom. Eat your fruit and veggies. Okay, how many pickles do people
That goes
eat?
for you too, Baby Chester.
Huh? What?
Eating your fruits and vegetables.
I said people, not pink monkeys. Anyways, how many pickles do people eat?
Well, the average American eats about 8 pounds of pickles a year.
That's a lot of pickles. Oh my gosh. How are pickles made?
Like I said earlier, you can soak cucumbers in a salty bath or even acidic liquid like vinegar. They will be soaking anywhere between 5 days to 6 weeks depending on the recipe.
Oh wow, what a neat process. Can anything else be pickled, quote and unquote, besides cucumbers?
You mean quote unquote, Baby Chester?
Whatever.
Yes, you can almost pickle everything. You can do carrots, ginger, bell peppers, and beets.
Bees?
Beets.
Beets? Oh, beets. I'm about to say bees. That sounds like torture.
No. Just to name a few of them, though.
Oh, okay. Have you ever heard of a Kool-aid pickle?
What in the world is that?
It's a Mississippi. It's a Mississippi thing where they put Kool-Aid in the pickle jar.
I don't know how I feel about that one.
Well, you, my viewers, are in for a treat. My Mama Lucille, is in the kitchen right now, and she's going to show everybody how to make a Kool-Aid pickle.
Hello, sweet babies. I am Mama Lucille, and I'm here to show you guys how to make some Kool-Aid Pickles, and they're also known as Koolickles. They're from the Delta region of Mississippi. Now let's get started.
Now this recipe calls for a packet of Kool-Aid, whatever flavor that fits your fancy, a jar of pickles, a mixing bowl, and some sugar. Some regular old sugar, not the kiss of sugar now, just regular old sugar. 3/4 cups of regular old sugar. The first step is to open up the jar of pickles. Now if you're struggling like I was, you gotta find yourself a mighty strong, handsome gentleman to help you open up the jar of pickles. Luckily for me, I asked my husband to do it. He makes it look so easy. Then you want to slowly pour out all the pickle juice out of the pickle jar. Make sure you get every single last drop. Now it's okay if you make a mess. We're going to go ahead and clean that on up later. Then we're going to slowly pour in the sugar. We're going to pour in all 3/4 cups of the sugar into the mixing bowl. Next, rip open the Kool-Aid packet and pour in all the flavoring inside the mixing bowl. Make sure you do it gently. Next, we're going to mix it all on up. You can either use a whisk, a fork, a spoon, whatever suits your fancy to mix all the ingredients up. Mix it until all the sugar is dissolved and everything is well blended. Now your mixture should look something like this. Slowly pour the mixture into the pickle jar. Now it's okay if all of it doesn't fit in. Remember, we add that sugar. So gently pour it in until you get almost all the way up to the top. Put the lid back on and make sure you secured it on tight. Give it a little shake and then put it in the refrigerator. And shake it at least once a day for 5 to 7 days. And this is the end result. What do you guys think? Did you guys try a different flavor? Or do you guys have a pickle recipe you guys want to share with me? Well, let me know on Facebook. Alright. Take care, and I'll see you guys around next time.
What a wonderful day. Time to think of more scams. You fired Jerry after the incident last time. Yeah, what a wonderful day. I need to think of another scam. I need to make more of that bank. Hey. It cannot be ruined.
Why are the leaves changing colors, huh? Who said the leaves can do that, huh? This is so annoying. And why is the tree going naked? It does this every year. It doesn't make no sense. Oh, look, there's my cousin Cosby. Hey, Cosby, wait for me.
Wait, oh my gosh, do not, that is my cousin, Monty the Complainer. He is back, and I thought this day could not get ruined. I thought this would be the perfect day. It's nice, it's a nice day in fall, okay? It's gonna be nice and relaxing. I was gonna think of a scam commercial, get Jerry fired. I was gonna have a whole to-do list to do today, but then he's here. Monty the Complainer. What are you gonna play about?
Hey, Cosby, what's going on? Cosby!
Oh my god.
Hey, cousin Cosby, can I ask you a question?
Oh, sure.
Great. Now, excuse me. Why is it that it's so hard for the pickle jar to be opened, huh? Why is that, huh? For someone like me who does not have thumbs nor fingers, you see this right here? Yes, it is so difficult for me to open, huh? You know how I open the pickle jar, huh? Do you guys want to know how I open it? I push it off the counter and then it explodes. Glass goes everywhere, okay? There's glass in the pickles, so it's not edible. And then I had to spend hours on top of hours cleaning the whole mess up. And then by the time I'm done no taste. So to this day, I still have not tasted a pickle. So why is it so hard to make a pickle jar so hard to open, huh? Cosby? Oh, I hate when that happens. Oh, and now my throat is dry and my mouth is dry. Now I have to go find some water. Oh, this is so frustrating. Thank you for watching another episode of Baby's Chester's Corner. What did you guys think of the episode? Did you guys enjoy it? Let us know on Facebook. Now, if you are one of my younger viewers, make sure you have your parents' permission before you go on there. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can always email us at our email address. Now, I just want to take this moment to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers out there. I really appreciate you guys. Alright, until next time,